Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use a fluted countersink cutter. This is a bit which you are going to use to get a screw head in one flat with the wood, for example. The fluted countersink cutter is used to provide a heavy chamfer in the entrance to a drilled hole. This may be required to allow the correct seating for a countersunk head screw or to provide the lead in for a second machining operation such as tapping. But we are only going to need to place a screw flat to the surface. Here you can see if we do not using the floated countersink cutter, the head is looking out a little bit out of the surface. This is not good because you can hurt yourself or your kids can hurt itself or your cat, dogs, etc. And it looks not so professional. So now we're going to make a good drill hole sink with this countersink cutter. The countersink cutter you can use in your drill itself or in a bit holder of your drill. Here you can see. Only push it in position and then start operating. This may be required if you are going to place thumb covers on the walls or on the bottom side, etc. It is possible to use a countersink cutter in wood and other materials too. But take care with metal. For metal, you will need a special countersink cutter because it's so hard, so heavy, okay? Countersink cutters are manufactured with 6 common angles, which are 60 degrees, 82 degrees, or 90 degrees, 100 degrees, 110 degrees, or 120 degrees, with the two most common of those being 82 degrees and 90 degrees. And here you can see, now we are getting the screw head in one flat with the surface itself. That is professional looks like. Nice. But if you do not own a countersink cutter, you can have a first aid thing. For this, you can use a standard screwdriver bit in Phillips or in cross-counter direction, as you can see. This will help you a little bit. It is not the best way to get this drill hole little bit to open it a little bit, and it is important. First step: drill a hole. After this, use the countersink cutters or the bit itself, as you can see. But it's not the best way to get these jobs done. Countersunk head screws that follow the unified thread standard very often have 82 degrees angle, and screws that follow this ISO standard very often have a 90 degrees angle. But here you can see it doesn't care. If there is a head with a little bit of a coming up surface, it will rotate good in it and it will get a flat thing. If there is some material behind the cutting areas, of course. If you have a so small surface, it's not good to use this. It has to be a little bit massive, so I think 1 or 2 centimeters. Then you can use it easily, as you can see. And it is easy. You only will need a drill, you will need a bit, and this countersink cutter itself. The fluted countersink cutter is the first thing what you have to choose. And the second thing, if you do not have a countersink cutter, is the drill operation tool itself. So easy it is. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon!